While using Nano Banana, I found this interesting issue with aspect ratios.
It doesn't actually give a aspect ratio we asked for. I tested many images, but it was not working. It simply was not following the aspect ratio instructions.
For example, you might upload 2 images and use the prompt like make a girl in picture 1 hold the bag from image 2. Aspect ratio 16:9. Okay, but the output is not actually 16:9.
At first, I thought maybe trying Nano Banana through another medium might solve this. Many people use LM Arena for Nano Banana access. So I went to the LM Arena site. I uploaded 2 images, one in 1:1 ratio and another in 9:16 ratio. Then I gave a prompt to combine both images, and the result? It comes out in 9:16 ratio. To be specific, I even gave it a clear instruction to generate image in 16:9 ratio, but still it produced 9:16 only. I even pointed out in a prompt that it was making a mistake, yet the result stayed the same. So to figure out why this is happening, I reviewed Google's policy for Nano Banana. And here is what I found.
According to Google's official notes, the generated image will always follow the aspect ratio of the last uploaded image. To find out this, I tried uploading 16:9 image last, and it worked perfectly. Then I tried 9:16, and that also worked perfectly too. But what if the last image has a strange aspect ratio like the first one we uploaded? Here is the trick. Upload a blank 16:9 image as the second image. Then use this prompt. Redraw the content from image 1 onto image 2. Adjust image 1 so its aspect ratio matches the image 2. Completely remove the content of image 2 but keep its aspect ratio. And make sure no blank areas are left. Okay, let's see what will happen. And it worked perfectly. The generated image came out in standard 16:9 ratio. So if you know any even better method, share it in the comments. Thanks for watching.